Hi guys, today we are going to be making porridge yam. Yep, we are going to be making porridge yam with goat meat. I already washed my goat meat thoroughly and I will prepare the seasoning I'm going to use. Here I have purple onions, I have scotch bonnet, I have sweet pepper also that I'll be adding. I'll also go ahead and add some of my seasoning cubes. Okay, I'll blend it all together and get it ready for use. Guys, with this machine I'll be using, it is the best handy things that happen to me in my kitchen. It is the best machine you can use to blend things very fast and easy. I don't know the name, they didn't give me a name to advertise for them, but I'm just telling you guys, this machine is one of the best thing that will happen to you to cook fast in the kitchen. Now it is done blending and I'll be adding it into this goat meat. Go ahead and add some a little water as much as you can so your pot doesn't get burnt. And then let's get ready and start cooking. At this time, the meat has started cooking. Now check the meat, turn it around, make sure it is not burning and make sure it's cooked down. Add some little more water if you need to. I'm adding some little more water because the water I added was not enough. I'll cover it again and continue cooking until it is done. Now I think the meat is done and I'll be adding the yam. Okay, I'm using Ghana yam. Ghana yam is just the best yam. Yep, I'll add some little water and to make sure it covers the yam, and I will turn it around to make sure all the ingredients get to each other before I'll continue cooking. Make sure all the yams get into the water so that some of the part will not remain undone. Now it is time to add some crayfish. I added 3 spoons of crayfish here. You know, whenever you're cooking, make sure you add crayfish, but as you're adding crayfish, make sure you're checking yourself because crayfish has a lot of cholesterol in it. So if you are somebody that has cholesterol, watch how you eat crayfish. Now I am adding the bouillon cubes. After that, I went in to add my oil. Make sure you watch how you eat oil too. This oil is too much, I know, but I just added a bit because I needed it in this yam. Remember to watch what you eat. Remember, there is cholesterol, there is hypertension, there is diabetes roaming around the street. Be careful on what you eat. Now I'll cover the yam to cook. Now it is the first time to check if the yam is doing well. Look at your pot. Don't mind this pot. It keeps, you know, the thing in the pot keeps coming out of the pot. Don't mind the environment. I'm going to clean it up. Now turn it around so that the yams on top will go under to be done equally. Guys, remember to share this video. Remember to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow our page. Encourage us to be posting more videos every day. I am going to be adding the smoked fish. I have a smoked fish in the refrigerator. I just brought it out to add in this yam to add a little taste to it. Turn it around to make sure the ingredients marry each other very well. As you're turning it, watch your hands. Make sure you don't get burnt when you're cooking. Be careful with your hands, okay? I am just being careful right there. If you're safe, you're safe, but be careful so you don't get burnt. Yep, you see, I got something to hold the pot because the thing is too hot. I don't need to be burnt. And don't be like me, use a bigger pot to do this. I've already started cooking when I realized that this pot is small, but well, I continued as a strong head wabi. As you're cooking, make sure you're watching the texture. I added some more water because it's getting so thickened. I don't want it to be too thick so that I'll be able to get some fluid to eat with the yam. Watch how you cook, okay? It depends on what you want. The food is almost done and I'll be getting ready to add a little parsley, some parsley leaf. It's not gonna be much, just a little parsley to make it look green a little bit. As you're cooking, make sure you're cleaning up your environment. Don't leave your environment untidy while you're cooking. I'm going to allow it to boil for a little bit more and then I'll go ahead and add the parsley. So just as I said, yep, I added a parsley leaf just to make it a little bit greener and then turn it around and the food is done. Guys, I want you to try this recipe at home. Tell me how it looks. Tell me how it tastes. It tastes so good, but remember, make sure of what you're eating. Eat more of vegetable. This vegetable is not enough, but I don't have enough vegetable now. I have to do what I have to do. As you're cooking and learning, make sure you're watching your health. Make sure you eat right. Eat right. Just eat right for yourself. The food is done. It is ready to be served. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to give us a thumb up. And the food is served. Thank you. And remain blessed. Bye.